Hello, this is Jared Adams, owner of ShadingTexas.com. We just installed this job here on beautiful Horseshoe Bay here in Texas, and you can see really what they're seeing here is a bunch of sun that comes in west-facing patio. So I'm just going to push down on the remote here, and you can see our two screens are actually in those arched openings to the right side. I got them both going down at once here. So what's really nice is the customer has it going down to the just right down to the top of the railing, but that's enough to block out the sun, the heat from what they really needed. They were getting just blasted with the afternoon sun, and it was just making that patio and into the living space about 25 to 30 degrees warmer than it should be. So now with our screens, they're able to actually, just take out all that heat and the glare and actually get their living space back pretty much all year long. So this is Jared, owner of www.shadingtexas.com. You can see us there at www.shadingtexas.com. Thank you.